Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got you one more off-campus drive that is from Publicis Sapient. So this was a great opportunity for all 2021 pass outs. So you have a basic eligibility criteria that most of you people can be eligible for this particular drive. So make sure you are meeting all the eligibility criteria and then you apply. So it will be helpful to you all. And coming to the eligibility criteria and the job roles, you must have a degree in BE BTech, BE MTech dual degree, BE MSc. Either you can have a dual degree or else a single degree. There is no problem. And coming to the streams, you must be working on computer science, information technology, mathematics, software engineering, electronics and communications, electronics and electrical communications, and communications. And also you must have 6.5 and above CGPA with no active backlogs. So as we have seen the eligibility criteria, there are only basic eligibility criteria, so most of you people will be eligible for this particular drive, so please don't miss this opportunity. And coming down to the fill up application link, I'll be giving you the link in the description box. Go through that link and you can apply for this particular drive. So we have a basic registration form, so you will be having like date of applying for this position, so you can just give the date whenever you apply for this particular form and give your full name, phone number, email ID, location, gender, graduation college, degree, either it is BTech or dual degree or with MS. So your education stream and CGPA, it should be 6.5. make sure you are meeting this, and the graduation year, or you interested in SDE opportunity or not. So wait for a second, I'll be just come back by filling up this form. And yes, I'm back by filling this form. If you don't find your college name, go with other option and you can type your college name, and you will be having few more doubts in this particular application form, so I will just going with this option, so you will be getting to know what is about. Are you interested in applying for the SDE opportunity? Yes, of course you need to be interested because this was your job role, so just go with S. And then if you have any offer, go with S. If you don't have any offer, you just go with no. Either if you have an offer, you just go with no, because you can just grab this particular job opportunity. And then coming to the next one, so did you appear for PS hiring process? This will be the most doubt question for all of you people. So it means like do you appear for any campus drive from your college? If you appear, just go with S. So when you go with S, when did you just disqualified? At what round you are disqualified? Either in the online assessment, domain assessment, like domain interview, or core values. So you just need to select. I simply say you just select with no, because you it means you don't have any campus hiring till now, so it gives a positive impact. And then click on submit. So the process will be done, so your response will be submitted, and then you will be getting further details through your email address that you have given in the form. And that's all about this session. Hope it is helpful.